Good morning, everyone. Jim Barrett from RJO Futures, Monday morning, January 13th. Well, what a difference one number can make. Obviously, Friday, big surprise, job number, pitiful. Couldn't really be explained away. So the speeding tickets went out to the bears, that's for sure, across the whole yield curve. Short and the euro dollars, these 15s, D16s just screamed up, as did the 510s, 30s, and the ultra long bond, you name it. Market had been pressing lows. The bullish consensus was extremely low. Bears were really pushing the envelope and got caught. However, it's just 1 month's number. It'll be interesting to see what kind of revisions come down the road. However, the trading range basically in the 10-year notes where the pierced the 3% level slightly has held. So we're back in that 3% to 2.75. The numbers at the end of last year were basic economic numbers were kind of strong. That's why the market was leaning, I think, toward even higher rates. But this one really threw a wrench in that whole idea. Anyways, people also say that with the handoff to Yellen happening very soon, that there are a couple of things that she could basically back up her arguments to either not necessarily stop the taper, but slow the taper. And certainly the market's going to believe her about short-term rates, about her plan on keeping short-term rates extremely low. When we see an unemployment number like that. Now, participation is also a problem in that number. The participation keeps falling. I mean, at some point in time, the Fed may even point to that as a reason to slow the taper, or certainly not to raise short-term rates. Apparently, Bill Gross is on the news wires, the head of PIMCO, saying that these employment numbers are a bit overrated, that the real thing now to look at it will be the inflation rate. Well, inflation rate is still obviously under control, extremely low, basically given the monetary stimulus the last few years, extremely low, given the fact the economy, however slowly, has picked up. So I think he's right. The trading range, I expected the trading range would hold, and it has held, and we'll see how high we test. And we do test the 275 area next in the 10-year note. As far as reports this week, in Fed governors, the Lockhart speaking early this afternoon. Tomorrow, retail sales, big number. Business inventories comes tomorrow morning. Also, producer prices on Wednesday. A couple of Fed governors speak. Evans, the Dove, speaks around lunch, and Lockhart speaks again. Consumer prices come Thursday, of course, with claims numbers. That'll be important to see the follow-up on this employment number we just saw. Bernanke himself speaks at 10 in the morning on Thursday. And Friday, we get housing starts, consumer sentiment, and, of course, a 3-day weekend coming up. So I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Remember, there is a risk of loss in futures trading. It's not for everyone. Have a great trading week. Thank you.